Alright, so I took off the 3 pentalobe screws and the 3 screws holding off the RF shield. Here is the base of the iBook G4. Now, some of you have seen this. I'm not even sure. Well, no, I've never really done a take-apart video on this channel. This little connector right here probably goes to some sort of battery thingy. No, that's the light, actually. So now we have to tip over the computer carefully. There's a couple screws around here, but I took those all out. We finally have access to the internals of this G4. What I'm going to do is take off the screen because it does work, but it's broken. And I'll try to see if I can get a video signal out of this thing when it has no screen. Also, I may need to upgrade the combo drive to a super drive in the near future. So yeah, let's get working. Let's try to get the screen off. Okay, I got 1 cable out, 2 cables to go. Finally! Okay. The display panel is Frio. And it's broken anyway, so I really do not care. Sooner than later, I'm going to replace this display panel with a replacement display if I can find one. God knows. Or if I can just find a broken iBook G4 for parts. So, there goes that. Let's put the computer back together. So we have the computer assembled. It's pretty heavy. And we're going to clean up my screwdrivers real quick, and I'll be back with everything set up. In 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, so I got everything set up. However, my power supply is dead. Now, I have no idea how this happened, but this power supply is about, let me check, about 16 years old, okay? It's the original Apple power supply. And when I plug it in, it does indeed shock. However, nothing goes over there. So I have no idea if my power supply broke. Let me research real quick and see if I can get this working, because I don't want to buy a new power supply for this thing. This is the original Apple power supply that came with the computer back in 2003. So, yeah. I hope not. I hope that this thing... And for proof, look here. If you can see here, I hope you can see this, but look. Apple, right? Apple, 45 watt, copyright 2003. So yeah, this is the original power supply on this thing, guys. So I did not want to lose this at all. Sadly, if I'm gonna research real quick, and if I can't find anything, sadly this thing has finally had its time.